Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to disable swipe left for Google Newsfeed on Samsung M35 device. Well, knowing how to disable the swipe left gesture for the Google Newsfeed allows you to align the device functionality with your personal preferences. And also, this customization empowers you to control the features and interactions that are available on your device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin the process, you can press on the screen of your device to access the customization options. And from the pop-up menu that appears, please select the Settings option to navigate to the device settings. And within this menu, explore the options until you find the Add Media Page to Home Screen feature. Okay, after that, disable this feature by toggling it off, ensuring that media pages are not automatically added to your home screen. Okay, and also by turning off the settings, you can prevent clutter on your home screen and have more control over the content and layout of your device interface. This customization allows you to maintain a clean and organized home screen tailored to your preferences. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable swipe left for Google Newsfeed on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.